Hello, this is Tyler Locker with the Attivo Group, and in this video we will be discussing how issues may arise with cash flow forecasting and how opportunities within SAP Business One can provide users some solutions to these issues. Let's begin. One of the most common problems organizations have managing cash flow is cash balance visibility. This even causes some companies to keep a separate cash ledger due to the fear of having inaccurate data in one's current system. Some even resort to keeping an Excel worksheet to complete this function. In addition, organizations may have an inefficient double entry process rather than an integrated credit card processing system. Lastly, ACH accounts payable is dependent on having an effective system of tracking cash flow, and if partners do not have this in place, it can lead to a double entry of AP payment information when using ACH or automated clearinghouse. Fortunately enough, SAP Business One has easy-to-use functions that solve these issues and provide users an effective way to manage cash flow. The first solution we will cover is the eBiz charge within the Business Partner Master Data. In this tab, credit card information can be saved, and the user can process payment information once a partner or customer requests to make a payment. Within the Business Partner Master Data, the account balance can be accessed, which will provide all transactions that make up the amount for the business partner. Within the module, AR invoices and incoming payments will be listed. Each transaction individually can be accessed as well for complete transparency and reflection of all other entries. The tab can show all reconciled and unreconciled transactions. For instance, clicking on an incoming payment within the account balance of the example shown will display all payments that have been made by the customer to pay off previous invoices. Our last solution is the Payment Wizard. Using this module allows the user to access a recommended report of business partners for whom you intend to make a payment for. In this case, we have it selected for payables, and it shows what must be paid to a particular vendor. This is in relation to creating an automated clearinghouse file, a term usually coined to mean electronic funds transfer between two entities. This is an often used term within the US and is related to the Payment Wizard and Payment Methods modules within SAP. Cash flow management is an essential function of profitability within an organization, and SAP Business One has the capabilities to ensure that its users can accurately measure cash that is entering and leaving their company. Problems that include cash balance visibility, cash flow forecasting, integrated credit card processing, ACH accounts payable can all be solved by using the modules within SAP Business One, among many other business issues. Once again, this is Tyler Logger with the Attivo Group. Thank you for watching.